Hi, guys. Welcome to another segment of Legal Friday with me, Francine. So, today we're going to have a conversation, the tough conversation about money, about family wealth. So, this week I had a new client come to me and he said, Francine, someone had sent me your recent newsletter where you talk about multi generational wealth, about family wealth. And he said, I get that you said that we should talk to our family members, but he said, I don't want to talk to my family members about money. He says, I don't want them to know what's in my account. He said, it's my money. I can do what I want. And when I leave, whatever's left, they can have. Well, why that's not necessarily a good idea to keep them in the dark. Number one, because what happens is you are then setting up your family members for a potential lawsuit. It is so much better to have the conversation with them while you actually can, so that they will understand why you've made a decision you've made. The Williams Group is an organization that actually helps clients have those difficult conversations around wealth and around money. And what they found was something quite telling. They found that by the end of the second generation, 70% of a family's inheritance is lost. But even more so, they found that by the end of the third generation, 90% of a family's wealth is gone. I mean, it's depleted, it's squandered. Now, some of you might say, but I don't care. I don't care what happens. When I'm gone, they can do what they want. But you know what? You might care. Maybe you don't care about your kids, but maybe you do care about leaving something to your grandkids or leaving something to your great grandkids. And if you leave it to your kids and they squander it for whatever reason, maybe they've got a substance abuse problem, maybe they have a gambling problem, maybe they are embroiled in a horrible divorce and the spouse is just waiting to pounce on that money because they know the money's there. Maybe there are other creditors. Maybe your kid wasn't good with handling money. And so they totally squander it, even if it was earmarked for your grandkids and your great grandkids. For that reason, you want them to understand why you've made certain decisions, really to protect them and those future generations. So I invite you to think about it. Are you someone that's afraid to have that conversation with your family? If you are, give me a call. Very often a client may bring me in to have a conversation with the entire family. And actually, I would be the facilitator. So you don't have to make the tough call. Put it all on the lawyer, put it all on me. I'm happy to do it. But whether you have me, whether you have a mediator, whether you have a friend who is a disinterested party, whether you just have someone else outside of the family to come in and have that conversation, it's important that you do. It's important that the topic is broached. Because again, if you worked hard to build up a family nest egg, and you not only care about your kids, but you want to make sure your grandkids and maybe your great grandkids are taken care of, you want to make sure that there is money in the pot when they are old enough to enjoy it. Okay, that's it for now. It's Francine. This is Legal Friday with me. And the topic this week is having the courage to have those courageous conversations about family wealth. Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Bye-bye.